everyone and welcome to my channel Land of Blossom. So today I'm here with my family going to Kathotia Hiking Area place. So let's go. So guys, finally we have reached here and we have to go down there. So before watching, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. Meet me at the cornerstone.
My family is busy, so they're busy in taking pictures. So let's explore more. I think generally people come here to enjoy picnic. Like you can see there that two boys are cooking food, and on the other side you can see that two people are just sitting and talking in nature, sitting in nature and talking. Wow, so good. So guys, as you can see this, that the water and the greenery and the nature and the sunset, wow, it's so beautiful.
If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way.
क्या है ये? Just after finding a different place to walk out from here, we have come to this place. So let me first click my pictures.
This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald.
So friends, I am showing you some of my pics, as you can see.
Find you. When it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Through the cold and darkest days, the summer's calling.
अबे यार
Oh no! Oh no!
I know that we can rise together.
well let me show you the
The
sunset.
share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way.
My mom is waiting. So let's go. I have to walk fast to reach there. We have to go there from here. It's a very beautiful place, all greenery is there, and the sunset you can see here. Very beautiful. We are here after a long time. Means we were going to Kolar Dam, but we thought of finding a place, new place, where everyone comes and enjoy picnic. I'm very tired now because we are hiking from a long time. कुछ तो होगा वहाँ पे।
चल के देख क्या? वो गाड़ी ऑटो नहीं देख
Do comment guys, how was this place and you liked it or not, or you will be here or not. Especially Bhopal people, please be here. It's a very beautiful place. Be here with your family, friends, and it's not so far. I think it's just 10 kilometers from Kolar. Yeah, Kolar, 10 kilometers from Kolar, and yeah, you can be here anytime.
Ever since the day that you